I might be saying this only because I don't have kids, but why did anyone ever think child labor was a good idea? Like, why was that a thing that did really well that Republicans want to bring back?
Hey, quick psychology fact, I guess. This lighting's kind of spooky. Let's go with it. Anyway, childhood, in the way we understand it now, is actually a fairly modern concept. It really didn't come about as children having some separate developmental stage until arguably maybe the 1500s, Middle Ages. Before that, there was just small adults. Like, there was the understanding of offspring, but you had a little human, and now they were just a human except smaller. Add to that the fact that, humans tended to die a lot younger. Generally, about age 7 or so, the little humans were just expected to begin working in the trades, usually the same ones that their parents were working in. Middle Ages, people like John Locke started talking about, this sort of innocence of young childhood and the need for special environments to raise them and nurture them. The 19th century that we started talking about things like child labor laws and the need to educate and protect them. And interestingly, though, even there, education was more about training these children to eventually, when they were older, go into those jobs still, as opposed to this very modern idea of education as being this more academic pursuit of knowledge. And it's even more recent, the idea that the cutoffs are better understood about neurological development. So things like Dan Siegel's first dozen and second dozen years, where we really need until age 24 or 25 to be fully developed mentally and neurologically. To the question of why people now want to bring back child labor, that's because they're called terrible people. Okay, goodbye.